konting taste na lang guys. Mapatayin ako ng mama ko. So, ayun guys. It's been a week na since our room makeover. And update lang. Nahuhulog ang wallpaper ko. My wallpaper is falling down because I think there's no enough stickiness sa wall or actually sa wood. And technically, may isa pa akong order na, di ba dumarating, and they are the fairy lights. But I think I will add some clips na lang if that thing was arrived na or arrived already. But yeah, I bought some some stuff lang naman na I think na magagamit ko for this room kasi even though it's full of mematilya na lang dito sa kwarto. Let's first start out with this one. So, ayan. I bought yung wallpaper na brick na I'm telling you on my first video. It's just a sticker wallpaper. I am planning to put it on top or in the middle and also here. But my mom said marble na lang dito. Pero we don't know pa. I think igawin ko na lang half-half. I think the bottom half or the top one is the marble and the half one is marble. Yung wallpaper na brick. And I bought in color white para pink and white and marble theme tayo dito sa ating kwarto. So this is how it looks like. Yan. Simple lang siya. I don't know what size is this. But I bought 5. So half siya. Pero ayan siya, ayan. Plain lang, so I got in 5 pieces. So, I think these two will be putting here. Next item that I got was this one. 6 items ang akin binili dito. Ito yung, bumili ako ng, yung flower for my vase. Kasi, talaga naghahanap nito. Dito sa Bulacan, wala talaga. Naghahanap talaga ako saan-saan dito. But technically, all of them are roses. So, these are random lang, guys, to be honest. Ayun. Daming bubble wrap. So, all of the theme here is white and pink. So, yeah. First thing I bought was this one. It's actually a mug plate mat thing because I always bring water here. Yung water jug, yung maliit lang. Just dito ko nilalagay sa gilid. And pangpatong kong ginagamit is this Barbie handkerchief. So I decided to buy this one. Parang gumanda naman, di ba? So I got it in diamond shape siya. Ayan. Yung tape na makapalang mukha. Ayan. So I think bibili pa ako nito kasi ang ganda daw nito, guys. Double-sided siya pero makapal siya. Kasi, nahuhulog na talaga yung mga wallpaper ko na di na ako natutuwa as of the moment. Pero, ayan. So, I got this one. 2 hooks. Ayan. Color pink. Ayan. Ay, mini plain. And it's just a plain one. I got it for 5 pesos. But it's cute. It's pink. So, why not? Diba? Sayang naman. Bumili ako ng toothbrush container because I need a container for my toothbrush. Pero yan, I got this in walang white. So, bumili na ako ng color beige. Of course, yung talagang binili ko talaga dito is yung flowers. Pero, balik na data. Nakuha ka. This is the flower looks like. I think bibili pa ako ng isa pa. Kasi ang konti niya. Pero, ayan siya. Ganyan lang siya, guys. So, hindi ko na siya tatanggalin. Pero this is how it looks like. Ayan, color white. So, I don't know what flower is this though. It's so cute. The next thing that I bought was actually a foil curtain that you can use on your birthday or any celebration. I just bought it because I was actually planning to put it dito sa side. I will put a screen here. Pero ayan, maglalagay ako as a part of like, itatakpan na lang. Kasi, mahirap na siyang i-design any wallpaper. So, I decided na lang na coveran siya ng ganito. So, mag-aala party tayo dito sa room. So, the last thing that I bought was actually this one. It's a beautifier with, I actually bought the vanilla scented one. Yung cherry blossom, multi-purpose essential oil niya. Kaso, cherry blossom ang dumating at hindi vanilla. The humidifiers look like this. Ayan. I got it in color white. Thankfully, gumagana siya kasi some of the reviews, it wasn't working. Pero it comes with a charger. Pero I'm using my charger from my phone. So, this is how it looks like siya. Ayan. Naka-charge siya as of the moment. And, ayan. Gumagana naman siya. Di lang kita yung usok sa camera, I think. Ayan. So, ayan siya Birthday siya abot sa buong kwarto, of course, kasi sobrang liit lang. Pero I got this for 65 pesos. Ito lang ang naalala kong presyo. Pero ayan siya, ang cute. And pwede siya maging lamp actually. So, 2-in-1 siya. Humidifier and lamp. I really love it. So pretty. I think affordable naman na siya. If you have a small room, this is a very way to go na. So, ayan. So, it's currently 1 a.m. and di na ako napag-vlog kahapon or kagabi. Sabi it looks like, ayan yung tsura niya. So, I don't know pa kung maglalagay ako dito ng yung fairy ring lights na in-order ko sa Shopee na. Until na wala pa rin. Pero I think bukas pa dating niya or Sunday or Monday pa. Pero sa Monday wala ako. Pero sana dumating siya mamaya or bukas. And then itong area naman ang aayusin ko. As of the moment, my room is very, very messy. Wala ako masyadong gagawin kasi puro gamit to ni mama. Baka mapagalitan pa ako kung saan ko pa ilagay mga gamit. Pero at least ma-organize man lang siya. So, I think sana magkasya dito yung parang maliit na organizer desk. Which is nasa ilalim talaga siya. So, nandito lahat ng mga gamit ko sa school. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff pa. Kakailanganin ko yung magazine holder, ayan. Kasi may mga folder dito si mama, so I think dito ko na lang ilalagay. Pero sana magkasya man lang siya doon. Dito, ang ating hinahanap, ang mga bloke. Ito yung mga bloke na yung sa organizer. So, ayusin ko siya, i-build up ko siya. So, all of their nails, yung mga nails nila is ito ko nilagay sa isang organizer ko ng ball pens. Sobrang init. So, I'm really sorry kung tutuman ng itsura ko kasi wala akong time mag-ayos. I have all of the tornillos na nails that I will putting it here. And thankfully, nasakan pa yung ginamit ng screwdriver dun sa desk na inayos ng pinsan ko. So, ayun, ayusin ko na siya. So, ayun, natapos ko na yung dalawa. So, madali lang siya, guys. And papatungan mo lang siya ng ganyan. And, ayan. So, you have a organizer na. So, kasi naman siya sa mini desk. To. Kasi ito na to yung table, foldable table lang na din sa Shopee. Lahat naman siguro ng items dito from Shopee dito sa kwarto na pinang-decorate ko. Kasi Shopee lang talaga as in ang namin for today. Lalo na yung pandemic. So, ayun na, ayusin ko lang itong lamesa, itong side na to, and I will be right back. So, ayun, tinapos ko na yun dito sa mom ko. Di masyadong, di siya masyadong ganun kaayos naman. Pero at least, naayos ko naman siya kahit papaano. And ayun, di ako nang talaga nilagay ito. Kasi sayang naman ko gagamitin as an organizer. So, ayun, sana matuwa naman ang nanay ko at hindi magalit kasi magalit siya talaga pag ginagalaw ko yung mga gamit niya. Pero at least na-organize ko naman siya kahit papaano. sa kwarto. So, ayan. This table is a foldable table. Ayan. Yung pwede mo siya ilagay sa bedroom or any type or where you can use it. Kasi, di naman siya ganun siya mabigat. Pero nilagay namin na siya dito. Kasi dito ako nagsuschool dati. Dito ko lalagay ang aking laptop kasi wala naman ako mapaglalagyan. At nahulog na naman ang aking yan, yung grid, diba? Ang gulo, ang kulit talaga. Laging nahuhulog. So, wala pa tayong decoration dyan, chuchu. Pero, ayan. So, this is how it looks like. As of the moment kasi, wala pa kaming, tawag dito, yung comforter ba yun? Yung mismong sopa. Sopa ba tawag doon? Parang kutsyon mismo ng bed. Kasi, mahal and wala pa kaming budget bumili. So, I think, bibili na lang kami. Parang makukuha na. Or baka bumili na lang kasi kami around December na lang. So, i-update ko na lang kayo doon for a part 2 of a room tour. Kasi, to be honest, until now, I don't know kung magro-room tour pa ako. Kasi di pa ganun maayos masyado. Lalo na tong side ni Mama, as you can see. Hindi ko pa nalalagay doon yung foil curtain. Yung foil curtain ko is nandoon. So, magulo-gulo pa siya. Pero, anyways, papakita ko sa inyo ang nangyari na sa kwarto. Or which is a little bit of a room makeover siya.